Hello guys, I am Samaresh Gantait. Today I will see you how to set up Donube IoT Wi-Fi circuit board with your available network and how to control your home appliance like light, tube light, fan, night bulb or any AC fan, means ceiling fan. Okay, let's start. This is our Wi-Fi circuit board. This is the input source. This wire live wire and this wire neutral wire. You can see in manual. This is the input source. This is live wire and this is neutral wire. Okay. There are a LED, RGB LED glow in blue. Blue light means Bluetooth has been active. Okay, this board. Now we download Donube IoT board in our Play Store. Here I previously downloaded it. You can see this is our app. Now open it. First of all, you must log in. Input the valid phone number. Now submit. Previously I sign up, so directly go to the OTP page. Here you can see OTP is coming your mobile. Okay, type the OTP and now continue. Press the continue button. Okay, now you can see our app. Okay, now first this is press the add button. Add button. You can see you are advised to enable your Bluetooth of this mobile phone. Press OK. Allow. Okay. Now press the Wi-Fi board. Here you can see one barcode are available of each board. Scan it. Okay. You can see, please connect manually. So go to the Bluetooth setting and you can see the available device. Pair it. And now back. You can see the Wi-Fi credentials. Means this is the SSID and password of available network. Here I connect with this internet of this device of the mobile phone with this circuit board. Okay, now first of all input the SSID. And input the password. Please carefully fill it. And now submit. Here you can see the board details. Means this is the name of the board. You can edit any name. And this is the 4 appliances control switch, 4 switch. You can edit any name. can choose any name and press done. This is the dashboard of this app. Okay. Here you can see the LED bulb is glowing green. Green means the internet has been connected with this circuit. Okay. Now you can see the control panel. Okay, control of the circuit board. This is the light. This is LED. This is LED 1. This is bulb, and this slide bar for fan control. Here 4 step is here. 4 step for 4 speed. Okay. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Okay. And this is 0, means fan off. Okay. Here this 4 port for manual control of the appliances, means you can connect this switch, modular switch. Okay, this type of modular switch, this 4 port. Okay, and previously I told you this is the input source of this circuit. Okay, and this right hand side of this port 5 port, the output of the circuit board. This first port for LED bulb, or you can choose the LED light, LED bulb or tube light, etc, etc, and this for fan. Okay, each port, the middle screw, means the middle screw is neutral. Okay, each port of the middle screw is neutral. This middle screw, this middle screw, this middle screw, this middle screw, and this middle screw is neutral. Okay, this port for fan, and this 4 spot LED bulb, light, tube light, any night bulb. Okay, and this port, you can see this 4 port of the upper screw is live wire. Okay, means this is live wire, this is live wire, this is live wire, and this is live wire. Okay, and now, but this port of the lower screw, means this screw is live wire. Here the upper screw is not live wire, the lower screw is live wire. This is for fan. Okay, here you can see a push button is available. This is for the if you change your Wi-Fi password or Wi-Fi name, then first you can erase the SSID, previously SSID or password from this device, and connect the Wi-Fi board with new password SSID, and I can see the method of the setup. Okay, and this is for manually control of the fan. Here one advantage of this board is, if your Wi-Fi is gone, you can control in manually. Okay, here you can erase it. Press the push button in 4 seconds, the RGB LED is glowing red, means the EEPROM is clearing process, and then RGB is pink. Okay. Okay, now you can see the RGB LED is glowing blue, means blue light means the Bluetooth has been active. Okay, I hope you are understand. Thank you. And one thing, if you have any problem for set up this Wi-Fi board with network, please contact the customer care number and you can chat with this mail. Okay, here also we provide a video tutorial link. Here is present. You can type it in your Chrome browser and you can see the video tutorial link. Okay.